Okay, go ahead.
3 and 1/4 plus 1 3/4 4 and 4/4 equals 1 plus 1 and 3/4 equals 2 and 3/4.
All right, stop there. You have 3 and 1/4 plus 1 and 3/4. And you said 1/4 plus 3/4 equals 1. And then you have 3 plus 1, which equals 4. So that's going to equal 5 together. 3 and 1/4 plus 1 and 3/4 equals 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. So that's now you have 5 plus 2 and 5/6.
Yeah.
All right. What would that be?
Wait, what question is that?
This is number 3. All right, Grant. So you're adding 5 now. 5 plus 2 and 5/6.
It would be 1 second.
7.
7 and 5/6.
That's it. All right, there you go, guys, for number 3. All right, good work on that. Okay, we're going to look at page 410. I want to look at the blue box at the bottom. Because the names of the properties are really important. They're not going to go away. You're going to have to do them again next year and in algebra and the year after. So I want to practice the difference between associative and commutative. Right? So we have to tell whether it's the commutative or the associative property, which would be used to show that the equation is true without calculating. Okay. So number 14, you can see what they did, 9/10, and then they had plus parentheses, 3/10 plus 5/6 parentheses. And they moved the parentheses. All right. When you move the parentheses, is that associative or commutative? Is there anyone I didn't hear from today? Alex, Bernadette, Grace, Grant, Irfan. All right, I'm going to go with Bernadette for this one. Bernadette, is that associative or commutative? Can you remember? Moving the parentheses.
Commutative?
It's the other one. It's associative. All right, so when you move the parentheses or you change groupings, that is associative. All right, so let's look at 14b and look at what they did there. 3/4 plus 1/5 plus 1/4 equals, and then they flip-flopped 1/5 and 3/4. Grace, what did they do there?
What was the answer for number 14?
Hang on a second.
Mrs. Palmer, what was
Grace,
14A? I missed it.
Okay, hang on a second. We're on B right now. Grace?
Yeah.
Is that associative or commutative for 14b?
That is commutative. Wait. 14b, is that on page 408?
It's on 410.
Is 410. Oh, yeah.
14.
That would be, let's see. That's commutative property.
Good. That's commutative. They changed the order that the numbers were written in. Grant, 14A was associative because they changed the parentheses or where the grouping was, right? So associative, then commutative. All right. I want everyone to fill in 14C. All right. I want you to do that one on your own right now. Take a look at 14C and think, are they changing the order they're written in or are they changing the grouping? Which one should you circle? Okay, now hold up your left hand if you think it's associative. Hold up your right hand if you think it is commutative. Right, ready?
Camera, is it working?
Okay, but just hold it up anyway. Even though we can't see it, you'll still be holding it up. Left hand associative, right hand commutative. Right?
Which hand is associative and which hand is commutative?
Wait. The right hand is associative property, and then left hand is commutative property.
No, opposite.
Now, left is associative, right is commutative. Okay, hold up your hand.
Right is right.
How about this? Since we can't tell right from left because people are doing like opposites, how about we touch our top of the head for commutative and bottom for associative?
All right. This is commutative.
Yeah.
Okay,
This is
go.
associative. Class is so hard.
Okay. Associative. All right, because they moved the parentheses. The numbers are still in the same order they started out in. They didn't change the order, they changed the grouping. That's associative.
Okay.
Today, I want you to do pages 411 and 412, but not number 9 on 411. So 411, 1 to 8. And then 412, that's that review, 1 to 6. Okay. Good work, gang. This is our last section.
We're almost done with this chapter. We're almost done with this chapter. We're almost done with this chapter.
I know. Yeah.
Almost done with this stuff.
We'll be finishing it up. Okay. You guys have any questions for me?
What's our homework?
All right. Remember, you can come see me at my office hours from 2 to 3. You can email me if you have questions. I'm going to write down what I told you your homework is. 411, 1 to 8, and 412.
Are we leaving early today?
Yep, we're finished unless you guys have a few minutes for questions. Does anyone have any questions for me?
Do we have?
No, goodbye.
All right, have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I didn't. Do we have? So we only have school on Friday? Cause no, we have 2.
Mr.
411 and
Gilbert
412. Don't do number 9 and 411.
Mr. Gilbert told me to stay here because I have to message him for something.
Oh, okay.
So can I use
I
the
do
Go
have a
Guardian
question,
thingy,
though.
even if this is X'd out of? Here, I'll
Yeah,
just
you can
try
use
it,
the Go
and then-
Guardian on anything.
Okay, hold on.
Rolling.
Gracie, it's at the Mrs. Palmer.
Rolling.
So, are we gonna have school Friday or not? Because we didn't. Yeah, last Friday.
Yeah, last Friday was already a scheduled day off, but this Friday we do have
It
school.
worked. Bye.
Okay. Okay.
right,
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.